So we're going to be looking at why some guys choose hair systems over the bald look. I'm going to go through 3 reasons why, which are the most common that I see within the community. And I'd like to add here that a majority of guys who've got hair systems have tried the bald look, and there's a number of reasons that it didn't work out for them. I literally cannot go through all of them today. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet, so I'm just going to focus on the reasons why they go for hair systems. So reason number 1, let's talk about confidence. Now, when you lose your hair for whatever reason, that can be absolutely soul destroying. You're losing part of your identity. You're losing part of what makes you who you are. And getting a hair system can completely transform that outlook for you. You can have your confidence back. It can build your self-esteem straight up. It's non-invasive, it's not even painful, and you can have that transformation literally from the point you go into a hair system salon to the point you leave a hair system salon. You are a new guy. I remember the first time that I got a system fitted, I went into the salon just feeling so low, socially awkward, that kind of thing. I came out an hour later, I had a new head of hair, I felt so confident, I felt proud, I was walking around that town with my head held high. It was transformational. It can give you your vitality back, it can give you your identity back, it can make you feel 10 years, and look, by the way, 10 years younger. Reason number 2 for guys getting a hair system over doing the bald thing is basically increasing your chances with women. Now, whether this is true or not, there's not really enough research or data out there to show one or the other. But I think underlying all of that is when you get a hair system, it naturally increases your confidence and your self-esteem. And as a result, for single guys, you're more likely to have the confidence to approach women. And there's a chance that you may not have had that confidence when you were bald. We live in an era now of dating apps where you can swipe right or swipe left. People don't bother or have the time or patience to basically read through every single bio that they come across. 9.5 times out of 10, you're going to get swiped based on how you look in your profile picture. And I think a lot of guys think about this and they're just like, well, guys with a full head of hair compared to me will have an edge. So getting a hair system actually gives you that edge back. And that element of advantage comes back into your dating game. And rule number 3, and this is a bit of a personal one for me, but I know that a lot of my subscribers have probably experienced this in the past when they're bald or balding, and that is basically other people's opinions. That is teasing, that may even be bullying. And all of those elements together can cause frustration, depression, lower self-esteem, lower self-confidence. All of the things which we don't want to be feeling in our life. For me, when I was about 2 years old, I began a hair pulling condition known as trichotillomania. I've still got it to an extent now, but I had massive bald patches on my head when I was 5, 6, 7 years old. I got teased mercilessly by kids in my class who just didn't understand why I had this condition and why I had these massive bald patches. And I'll be honest guys, it created a lot of small T traumas for me. It created anxieties, it created long-term low self-esteem, it created fear of judgment for me. You know, all of these things became incredibly toxic for my own mental health. And that's why when I came across hair systems, I made the decision, hold on a minute, this can really help me deal with my past traumas in relation to my trichotillomania. So there you have it, 3 reasons why guys might choose hair systems over the bald look. I hope you've enjoyed this content. I hope you found it insightful and useful. I wonder if you guys can relate to it yourselves. It's something I can certainly relate to in myself, and I have seen it in the community as well. And just one thing before I go, I've done a little bit of work at the back end on YouTube, and I've basically made a number of playlists to make certain videos a little bit more accessible for you guys. So we've got recovery stories there, we've got tutorials, there's all sorts on there. So please do head over to my playlists. It might be a little bit easier for you to compartmentalize exactly what you're looking for there. Please do hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. There's going to be a weekly stream of content coming your way. Whack that notification bell. The more people that subscribe, the more people are going to be made aware of this content, and I really think it is helping people in various different ways. So please do hit me up. It'd be great to have you as part of the tribe, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.